Welcome back to another Adilas training. My name is Russell Moore, and we're going to go ahead and get started for today. And we are going to go over Corp footer second column. And using our nifty little button, we're going to go here. We're going to come on down and start at the second column options. Now let's go ahead and click really quick to let you see a couple of different things. So the column options and the feeder name. So let's show you where that option comes in. So here's your second column, and this is the name that you can change. So the name is only able to be changed on certain ones, and I'll hurry and quickly show you. So let's go down to the options. The name only affects the corporation feeder and the custom feeder. All the other ones have names of their own that will supersede whatever name you put in there. So what we're going to do is just go through these options really quickly. I'm going to briefly explain what they are, and then I'm going to go more in depth into both the corporation feeder and the custom feeder. So the corporation feeder is if you want a particular feeder to run inside your corporation. So you can have news events, you can have mandatory meetings, just whatever you want pulled in within your company. And so the information exactly how to do that is right here. I was going to go show you the picture really quick. We're going to come up here. So this feeder can actually pull in different projects. It can, again, mandatory meetings, events, all within your company. So let's come back down. And so that's the corporation feeder. It just is an element of time feeder for you. AFB feeder is Adilas for business. That's our department within Adilas, and we focus a lot on some different design things, e-commerce, blogs, and different things like that. Quicker processes within Adilas, and you can learn a little bit more about us right here. It says a couple of things that we've done, and then a link to our website. But just really quickly, the feeder just pulls in information from us. So news updates, events, consultants meetings, new features, new products, training events, just anything you can think of will be provided through our feeder. Right now, the feeder for AFB as of 12/7/16, the AFB feeder, the Adilas feeder, and even corporation feeder. So the only one that really works is the corporation feeder. The custom feeder and all these are not operable right now. We're doing a new blog feature, and that's going to integrate right in with this tool. And so just to make you aware that the only one that really works is your corporation feeder. But these ones will be working hopefully shortly, and if nothing else, you won't be able to click on it, but it will start pulling in information from Adilas and Adilas for Business as we put it in there right now. The links just don't work. And I'll even show you that really quickly. It thinks that you're trying to pull something from inside of your system. So this is the Adilas feed, the Adilas for Business feed. You click it, it just can't find it. But the feed's working right now. So you have your corporation, you have your AFB, you have Adilas, so that's the main feed from Adilas, and then you can have a feeder that's from both of us. Your custom feeder is kind of, it can be kind of thought of in two different ways. One, if you want a feeder from your consultants corporation, or you want a feed from your mother corporation. And so you can do it either way. All you have to do is put their Corp ID in this custom feeder field. Now, really quickly, I'm going to just show you that picture again of the first column. The second column allows you to also have the second column has a feeder, but the third column also has a feeder, but you can only have one custom feeder. So if you put in your mother corporation, but you put custom feeder here and here, it will just duplicate itself. Just to make you aware. Okay, so really quickly, I just wanted to explain to you about the corporation feeder. We have instructions right here on exactly how to do that and what you need and what you don't need. But I'm going to actually go and show you inside an element of time template. So let's go home. We're going to click into, this is the way that I go into it. We'll click new, add edit time templates, and we're going to go into this one or this one. We'll just choose this one. You can give it a title. It's required. These are some of the required ones. So what you need for the AFB feeder versus the template. So those are required for the template. Let's go down and find out what's required for the feeder. Target date is required. Finish done switch is required. Also, if you want people to view it on the web, so if this is a consultants, you need to select show on the web as a default. If it doesn't show on the web, it won't be able to be pulled. It won't be able to be viewed once your clients can click on it. So make sure if you're wanting it to go to other corporations or be viewed from another outside corporation, make sure you put show on the web. If not, you can run it all internally without that. We're going to come down and you have to click add sub special flag. So right there. We're going to come down and we're going to use number 5 as well. So you click on number 5 and you have to put this in both of them. Just AFB _ feeder. And just copy it just like this, all capitalized. Just stick it in there, stick it in this one. You have to select a type. It doesn't matter what type you do. And then you have to click auto populate. Once you're done with that, you'll come on down and you can add other things to it if you want. You'll click edit template and you'll have one ready for your feeder. So let's go turn on our corporation feeder. Come on down. Corporation feeder. Save. And there we go. And this one has a title, so let's go change that title because I didn't add a title. Corporation feeder. Let's make sure we cap that. And let's go check and make sure it looks good. Okay, looks good. I can click on this and it pulls me in and I can see my elements of time. I can also go and click on more and I can see all the different ones that I've created. And so that leads us on to our next third column, but we'll get that in the next video. So thank you so much for coming and we'll see you in the next video.